What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? It's Skinny Boy Randy. Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. Today, I'm talking about strawberries, you guys. Strawberries, how to grow them, how to start them. There's so many different videos, so many different ways to grow them. We're going to do it the Skinny Boy Randy way, okay? Okay! I love you guys. Thanks for being here. If you're new to the channel, welcome to Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy. I love you. Thanks for being here. Click like and subscribe. Click the thumbs up. Click the thumbs down. Just don't click the middle thumbs, okay? Okay! Keep your comments nice and polite, you guys. I love you all. Shout out to everybody out there making videos. Some people are just starting to garden, you guys, and I'm like, hey, I'm down for it. Let me know if you need any information. I'm a beginner. I'm a novice. I've been growing my whole life, but hey, sometimes things work, sometimes things don't. You know, you guys are going right along with me at my new home. So thank you for being here. We're learning the soil together. We're doing good and great things. So we're going to try some strawberries today, you guys. Okay? Okay. I love you. Thanks for being here. So you got different types of strawberries you can buy. This is the $3 bag. You know, everybody talks about that $3 bag from Walmart. And they come in a green thing like this. But what we need to know is when they put these out, you're supposed to buy them and plant them. You don't supposed to hold them. I think I've held this too long. I don't know. We're going to find out. But this is one of the ones we're going to be talking about. The $3 All-Star June Bearing Strawberry. It says harvest early summer, plant in full sun. So we're going to try to start it off inside. And then you also have seeds. You can start strawberry seeds. These are some all-star strawberry seeds that I ordered in a kit of blueberries, strawberries, and all that. So we're going to show from seed, from the root, and then also one of my favorite places, the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree Grow Kit. I've had success with these. I can't find that strawberry plant to save my life, but we're going to do it again, okay? Okay, I love you guys. All right, let's just jump right into the video. Let's start off with these bare roots. Now, what I've done, I've boiled some water, some steaming, boiling water. I'm not going to put the bare roots right in that boiling water. I want to see what we're working with. So, let me just turn the camera on down here. These are the bare roots. I just opened the pack. We're out here in the greenhouse on Skinny Boy Farms today, you guys. Let's see if we have anything viable, living. We don't know. There's normally a rubber band, and it's right there. And I normally just cut it instead of trying to, break it around the roots, because trying not to damage if there's anything available. And all of this, I don't see anything alive. We may not be able to use these, y'all. I don't know. Let's see. Because they've been in the pack so long. Wait a minute. I see signs of life. Okay. And squeeze the bulb. You see, this is the root part. And this is the bulb part up here, and I see some little action that's not dead. Okay, so we're gonna set that one right there and look closely at the roots, because if they're not squishy and pussy, if they got a hard piece, that's normally the crown. And see the roots at the bottom. There may be life in these. I don't know. Okay, wait a minute. Let's see. Yeah, we have very little life in these, you guys. When you get them, you gotta plant them. These have been sitting, but I see life. I see life in here. So all is not lost. Yeah, I see life. I see life. I see some life. You see that? They are alive. They are alive. Thank you, Lord. They're alive. Okay, okay. Yeah. alive. They're growing. They're alive. They're alive. So this is one way you can plant them. So I'm going to just take one. And I'm going to take some of this hot water and cool it off a little bit. Just by putting it a little bit in a container. Squishing it. Mixing it with my cold water. Mixing it with some cold water. Then I'm going to take this root and drop right in there like that. Okay? I'm going to drop the root right in there in that water. Just like that. And I can see where the flowers are coming out. You see the leaves hard up here? You know that's the crown. You don't want to bury that because if you do, it will die. So, take your time. Go through it. Take your time. Go through it. If you don't plant all the roots, if you're unsure, if something is a plant or a runner, just don't take a chance. You see, you know where the root's coming from at the bottom. Right here. Can y'all see this? Yeah. Take all these like that, right? Shout out to Zay and Zanaya Family Box. She gave me an idea. She said she got these things to grow in 4 days. So we're going to test her out. Also, the Dollar Tree has a grow kit. It comes with a pellet. And let's go ahead and put our pellet in this cup. And put some warm water on it. Just like that. Let that pellet expand. Let it expand. And it's in that hot water, so it's killing any fungus gnats. You guys, that's another thing. When starting season size, you'll start seeing little flying fungus gnats. You can treat that sometimes with neem oil. Put some neem oil in your stuff. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, you see that pellet breaking on up and turning into a pellet of soil. Yep. And it's enough to fill up the pot that it comes with. So take it and pour it over in that pot. Look, just like that, you got a whole pot of soil. And this is hot right now. Let it cool off a little bit. And this is from the Dollar Tree. It comes in a kit just like this. It gives you instructions. It gives you the peat pellet, which we just turned into soil. You saw that right before your eyes. It gives you that. It gives you the pot. And it gives you the seeds, buzzy seeds. Okay? And on the back of the seeds, it tells you Alpine strawberry. 8 to 10 seeds. Okay? Okay. Thank you guys for being here. So, with that being said, sometimes the soil gets hot in summer, but this is not like that hot. It's lukewarm. So we can go ahead and plant our Alpine strawberry seeds from the Dollar Tree. Okay? We're going to try those. And while I'm doing that, let me put another pellet in for the seed packets, the bare seeds that we already had. Just pour some more water in another pellet. I'm going to sit this right here while I'm working right here. Thank you guys for being here. I hope you're staying corona safe. You guys, don't watch it on TV all day, every day, because it really will depress you and get you down. Get outside and plant you something. Okay? I love you. You're the best. And these are so tiny. I don't even know how I'm going to show you how tiny they are. With the use palm of my hand. You can see them drop out. You see that, you guys? That's what you get. I think. I hope I'm not missing anything. Yeah, I think that's what you get. And I'm just gonna put my hand over there and tap them and cover the soil up. Just like that. Make sure there's no more in here. If there are, I'm just gonna lean over this so they'll drop in if there is some more in here. And they're so small, you guys. Okay. Yes, we want all that stuff. Give me all that. Then I'm just gonna move the soil around enough to make sure the seeds are making contact with the soil. Okay, and there we have it. These are the Alpine strawberries from the Dollar Tree. Done. And you guys, I'm going to give this one an episode name because we're going to follow along with each other, okay? I want you guys to see it from beginning to end. Now, the root is on fire. We don't need no water. Oh, yeah, we need some water. Where's the other one? Okay, we're going to do another one. Just dip the root in the water. Did I drop it down here, y'all? We want to keep it above soil level. So what I'm going to do is take another cup, and this is my cocoa core mixed with a little Miracle Grow and the cheap seed started mix from Dollar Tree. Yep. Just had some of that. You know, it don't take much. Strawberries, they're going to grow. They're going to grow. So I'm going to find another one that has some growth to it. I'm gonna make a circle down here. See, make sure this one is good and moist. And we're just gonna take it. They say spread it out like a spatter, and it'll, you know, you can do it however you want to do it. Zay and Zanaya Family Vlogs, check them out. She just said she just popped hers on in and cover them on up. Yeah, keep it moving. And that's what I'm going to do with this one. Make sure I don't get none of that crown under there. You see, I'm going around it to make sure not to get none of that under there. Okay? If some of the roots are out, it's okay. And there you have planting the bare root. Now we're going to plant some all-star seeds using some more soil. So we're starting strawberries 3 different kind of ways, you guys, and I hope you follow along and subscribe to the channel and just follow along on the update of these strawberries. So these are all-star strawberries. I ordered this. It was a kit. Ordered this a while ago. Yeah. And I was already Corona kind of thinking in advance, but it wasn't thinking about that. I just love gardening. So I'm going to take some of these strawberry seeds. You probably can see those a little better. I'm just going to drop them in here. No particular order. Just try to make sure you spread them all around. Then I'm just going to sprinkle a little dirt on top of them. Just a little bit. Just like that. Just a tap. Just a tap. You don't even have to pack it. Just smooth it over. And we're going to water everything, okay? Okay, you guys, and there you have it. We just started 3 different types of strawberries. We have the Alpine strawberry. We have the All-Star strawberry from seed. Both of these are from seed. Let me put this right here. And then we have the June bearing all-star. This is another all-star strawberry, but from the root. So let's see how it works, you guys. I'm gonna put these under the grow light in the house. I love you. Thanks for being here. You are the best. Remember, live, love, laugh. You guys stay safe. Grow you some food and eat it. I love you.